Jim lavek metekitos. Nam cleves laboch vi stai ros de Chris. Nam predivich mom chasaish. De vilivoch dazim leketu chave. Este grand ropechasivian tochmesh. Nan kedes. I'm the God of the miraculous. I'm the God of signs. I'm the God of wonders. I can even take what is old and make it new. I can take something that's not there out of nothing. I can create a world and a universe. How much more can I give you what is totally absent and lacking, where you've had a no report? I give you a yes report today.
Yes.
Where you've had a no-go, I have given you freedom of access, and I've said freely go. Woo! Te blavi montrerevis lave kubalash, non clavis lavere pecailo tikivas, non clavis labrokot seraish. People gave you up and said, as good as dead and buried. But I want you to know that I've picked you up. I've raised you up today. I declare it before even it happens. I speak it even before it's seen. No, I pick you up. I raise you up, says the Lord. And where they said there is nothing, and where you thought there's no hope, I will show you that I'm the God of the impossible, the God of the miraculous. Nothing is impossible for me. And I will do the thing that you even dared to believe to ask. I will do for you today, says the Lord. There are some things that are going to come to pass, and you're going to have to dredge the memory of it out of your mind, because you uttered a thought, but I heard it as prayer. And I'm going to answer you today, and you will see the manifestation not afar off. Woohoo!